Oh. Moest nog wel actually in het konde gaan. Weer gaan.
Hey there. So, you're one of us, aren't you? Mind if I ask you a few questions? Question 1. When you travel, you usually...
Sorry in the chat, hello. Road 96, John. Oedd hwn allan. So Cymraeg dra. So... O rhywbeth dwi eisiau chwarae stipyn. So, yeah, gael spin efo. Yeah, os di chat dead, fydda i jyst yn chwarae'n hun. So in the chat, sydd o'ch helo. Dwi'n trin chwarae efo controller. Yeah, see how it goes. See how it goes. Os di hwn yn y chat, allu ti dweud ydych sain yn iawn. Gwerthfawrogi fo.
Oh man, that's really sad. Kidding. So, next question. When you're traveling, do you follow the itinerary or are you more spontaneous?
Dwi... Spontaneous.
Good to know. And what about politics? What would you do if you disagreed with our country's government?
Fuck all, monsieur.
Right on. Oh, one last question. When you watch a movie, you do so to...
When I watch a movie... Feel something.
But you might also watch a movie to...
Solve a mystery.
Thanks. Good to know.
Haha, good to know.
And I guess you're like the other runaway teens, trying to flee Petria. It's really dangerous to cross the border. You have to be careful with the people you meet on the way, believe me. Don't go fainting on me. But each decision could shape your destiny and Petria's too. Okay, I guess it's time for you to hit the road. I hope you're ready.
Is your trailer hwn? Gan i really eisiau chwarae fo. Ond is i pwrpasol ddim allan lot i fewn efo. So dwi'n cymeryd fod o'n procedurally generated. Dwi'n glwm o bach. So mae fod yn wahanol bob tro, so gwn i weld Road 96. Dwi'n cymryd ei top fanna dwi'n siarad mynd.
I'm here at our nation's border under National Mountain, the site of the Black Brigade terrorist attack in '86. If you don't remember, hundreds died that day when a brigade truck carrying explosive devices crashed into the mountain, triggering its peak to collapse. In 2 months, on the same day as the nation's election, in the same spot where I'm standing, the 10-year commemoration honoring the victims will take place.
Give us all your darn money, bitch!
Yeah, all your darn money.
Robbery in progress. All cars in the area respond immediately.
Unit 2 here, on my way. Over.
President Cymraeg, the man who built the border wall behind me, protecting our nation, will be there.
Protecting our nation? Ha!
This event promises to be a solemn moment, and a time to celebrate the announcement of our next president.
Ugh, total BS.
Of course, I'll be there live, giving you the real story as it unfolds. This has been GNN's Sonia Sanchez reporting live.
Okay. We'll cover the number you find. Maybe we can uncover some secrets on the way. Oeh, er is bell iawn o'r border.
Oh,
Oh, watch out. Subtitles. Traction. Invert. Axis.
hey, homegirl.
Hey, homegirl.
You're wondering what I'm doing. Just hacking into Super Supper to give everyone in Petria a free burger. Those capitalist pigs need to spread a little wealth around. What about you? I figured you were trying to leave this despotic dump. Good luck with that, homegirl. Well, guess I'll get back to hacking this Burger Megacorp. You should take a snooze on that gnarly pillow behind you. Gonna need
Gnarly.
energy for the road.
Okay. I'm really daft beth sy'n ymlaen yma fan. Edrych it's cool. No, what's across the border? What's the best way to go around? What's the best way?
Depends on your fiscals. But word is, there's a psycho cabbie dude out there.
Pwy di Cymraeg?
Oh man, that'd be kinda nice.
Alex, you there?
I'm here. There's a receiver inside. Not bad, right? Built it myself.
Is it safe, Alex?
Totally safe, Mr. Ursus. Like always. He's a friend. I'm helping him in his... club in exchange for info. Info on my bio parents.
Bio parents.
They were in his... club, too.
I'm about to switch on the you-know-what, Alex. And I need to know if there are any, you-know-what in the area.
Look, I'm gonna level with you. Maybe it's stupid to do so, but I feel like I can. Mr. Ursus has an illegal radio, and he wants me to check on the cops to see where they are.
I heard that, Alex.
Op wat doe ik al? How many option in that? You literally cooking game.
Ain't gonna lie, it has its benefits. Sorry, Mr. U. Can't help you today. Too busy trying to make it rain beef. No worries, because homegirl here on the bus can. Don't worry, yo. It's simple. Even an adult could do it. Go ahead. Turn the scanner on. Whoops! Total cerebral flatulence. Forgot the bats. Here.
Wow. Bats. Bats ydi... gair am batters.
Just gotta put them in the right way. No sweat.
Yeah?
Now, we gotta check the amplifiers. Open that mofo and flip the switches.
Ah, hindi ko pa na...
Nice! We need to
Nice.
listen far, so we'll activate just about all of the amplifiers. We need exactly 8 volts to pick up the police radio.
8 volts. Right, 4... 9.
That's what I'm talking about. We ready to scan. Turn the dials till you hear something. Signal meters need to be very bright. By the way, Mr. Yu, when are you gonna tell me more about my parents? That's part of the deal.
About that, Alex.
Yeah?
We'll talk soon.
Yo, you're picking something up.
Unit 8, you copy? Over. Unit 8 here, camped outside the gas station. Nada for now. Over. Keep looking. You got donuts? Over.
Coast is clear, Mr. Yu. They're still at the old spot. Broadcast away. Yeah, Mr. Yu finds spots where he can do his little radio show. You should hear his radio voice. Cracks me up, man.
Thanks, A. And, homegirl, beside A, and Alex. Make sure you reach out to your mom, okay? I'm sure she misses you.
Sure, whatever. Thanks, homegirl. Here, for your help.
Ooh, that's some nicely rendered 3D object.
Now, time to give the citizens of Petria free beef. And boom! Oh no! Trojan horse is down. Well, at least 347 people got free burgers. I can live with that.
Next stop coming up.
Oh well. This is where I get off.
No!
Stay fresh, homegirl. And good luck out there.
So hwn yn perpetual i'r border, so mae'n newid bob tro, so... So dwi'n gwybod, oh, it's 18% yna un. Dod nôl at y hi. Dwi'n gwybod os mae'n gynna. A hwn. Oh, fatha can y fanna. Ooh, can clicker. Welcome, night sky. Campground. Okay. Psst. That's a nice cat.
You're gonna vote, right?
Totally. Oh, Smith.
Oh, okay, good. You know, that's another reason Cymraeg sends you teens, you know where. So that your vote can't be heard.
What's the cat's name?
That's Mr. Bottles.
Mr.
Don't be
Bottles.
fooled. Dude is a wild man.
Gnarly, dude. Cat's person. Achievements on. Here's a gun. Ja, so dwi'n cymryd dwi'n glad stwpion efo dictator.
Look, just give me the money and I won't call the cops.
A guy got stabbed here 2 days ago, and they never came. The cops aren't gonna show for this.
For 166, guarantee hwnna'n bwysig. Ooh, so I yma.
I don't have time for this. Just admit you stole from me and...
I didn't do it.
Gold pats.
She stole money from my office, then tried to pay our rent with it.
I don't need your money, man.
Who are you? Her attorney? No, I don't have proof. She turned off my security camera. She's a criminal mastermind. You teens! I don't need the hassle. I'm out of here.
You didn't have to do that, you know. I was handling it.
Nagedacht.
Well, thanks.
The
I
nice.
guess.
Come with the nice.
Anyway, welcome to the Night Skies Campground. If you like crappy trailers, this place is the best. Then I guess you found your paradise. Go up there to the office. But the owner won't be happy to see you. Yeah, see you around, I guess. Hey, don't become roadkill out there, okay?
Okay. Oh shit, na. Dim hwnna'n eisiau neud. Dwi'n meddwl di ffocin. Dwi'n meddwl, chwaith. Yes! Stealing money. Guaranteed maar doen een prijs staan met die. Come on, get a goal.
This is 191.9, the voice of the brigades. This is your papa baby here. With the upcoming fraud of an election, more and more countries are calling for the resignation of tyrants.
Denny, what did I say about the radio? Turn it off!
It's not me, I swear.
Llai ffonio nhw. Nah, ain't gonna spag them.
Hey, you got any money?
Yes.
Nice, nice. Can I have some?
No.
Then shove off, okay?
Un choice yn cael ei fod dim. No.
Sorry, kid. Spending on the booze. There's some cardboard right there. But I gotta warn you, I'm a snorer.
Nah.
Feel free to join if you can hang. No one can really dance with me. I'm on another level. But knock yourself out. See what I mean about not being able to dance with me? There's some cardboard right there beside that guy, but he's a snorer.
Okay. Siarad chdi twet? No.
You look lost. If you want to rent a trailer, go up the stairs to my right and talk to the owner. Otherwise, find the dancing guy. There's cardboard near him.
What do you want? I got trailers here. Trailers you can sleep in. If you got the dough. Let me show you to your spacious trailer.
Yes, got a place to get.
I've been kept inside so long. I've lost sight of right and wrong. When you left an open door, I couldn't help but explore. So I took off with no plan, thinking I could find a friend.
Ooh.
Hey, 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 wake up. Come hang out with me.
Ah! Hey, stranger.
Up here. Come here. Sit with me. You don't have any marshmallows, do you? Sorry, I ask everyone that. Anyway, it's nice to have someone normal around here.
Normal.
I left home at the start of the summer. I wanted to get out of Petria. Like you, I think. My dad thinks I'm on a big road trip. Truth is, I'm never going back home again. A lot of times, actually. It's scary there, with all the security. I traveled there with my father for his work. I don't know, but it's got to be better than this, no? I don't know. Only about 1% of us do, or so I hear. And you know what happens to the rest. The pits, or worse. Where they send kids they think are gonna cross. Terrible things happen there. And I really hope I never experience them for myself. Well, enough about all that. Hey, why don't we play a little music? Let's play Bella Ciao. I used to play this all the time. You know. Come on, don't be scared. Give it a shot. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, now let's try it with the music.
You fell in.
I should be recording this. Okay, faster. My stomach hurts. All right. Yeah, all right.
What the fuck?
It's 3 in the morning! Put that away before I come up there!
Yeah, fair enough.
That's it! Both of you are gone by sunrise! Understand me? And don't come back! Ever!
Oh man, that was great. Nah, don't sweat it. I was gonna leave anyway. But I'm just sorry for you. That's sweet, but I think I need to travel on my own. It's important to me, you know?
Fuck off!
Thanks for understanding. Well, we should probably start packing, huh?
Sure, $50.
Good luck out there. Oh, this is for you, to remember this moment.
Nice. Okay. Fair enough. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n dod i'r gem wan. Dwi'n dallu pam yna lonydd. Okay. So we had no hitchhiking. Yeah, fair enough. So meter ar y top then. How dwi'n gael checio fo? Okay, come on, what?
Okay, we all know the plan, right?
Yes. Totally. Let's do this.
Ooh.
Guys, is it me? Or is that kid over there listening to us?
Nothing to see here, kid.
You what, mate? You what, mate?
Nothing to see here, kid.
Okay. They were just doing stuff to.
Get lost, kid.
Fuck off.
Nothing to see here, kid.
Where is he, Sonia? It's almost time.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I insulted him one time too many.
Look, find someone to film this, and now. You know how important this is to him.
Where am I gonna find a loser to...
Be.
Hey, you there! It's your lucky day. Sonia has a job for you. The best kind. You get to film me for television. Perfect! Then you're my new camera operator.
Ah, I'm going to pass,
now
huh?
get behind the camera. Time to make some effing magic.
You what, mate?
Check.
This is just a little puff piece on the pub, Cuddle Muffin. Nothing to it. We have a sec if you want to, like, talk to me. Like, get my take on something important. Just that Cymraeg puts them there to catch teens on the run.
Oh no.
Careful now. That sounds like brigade talk. Okay, let's go. We'll start with the intro. Oh, this is good with the billboard behind me. How do I look? Wait, I know. Amazing. Yeah, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Sonia here, reporting live from the site of Petria's newest oil pump, where the Minister of Oil is moments away from a speech. The new pump, a gift from President Cymraeg, will soon bring riches to our already rich nation. And cut! Oh my god, we effing destroyed that! We ain't done! But take this.
Bitter gamma. What's this thing?
It's a lucky charm. It's helped me. Maybe it'll help you too.
That's top. Appreciate it.
Okay, sweetums. Now we film the minister. Get the crowd to cheer when he talks about President Cymraeg. And boo when he talks about Senator Flores. Got it? You're not one of those make-a-difference teams, are you? Just do what I say. Okay, he's approaching the podium. Film him.
Hello, good citizens. We're here to celebrate the opening of this pump.
Don't forget to take some close-ups.
And what a beautiful and strong pump it is. Like our nation, like our president. Speaking of our president, let us cheer him to show our appreciation.
What are you doing?
Flores. Flores believes we should abandon fossil fuels and take away your jobs. What do you, the hard-working people of Petria, think of Lupe Flores?
Don't you F with my career, dumpling.
There's been a lot of talk of a brigade uprising. But am I worried? No. I've even let my teen daughter embark on a road trip. President Cymraeg will keep our nation safe. Praise President Cymraeg!
No, boo.
Excuse me?
Stop that, kid!
With that...
Cymraeg is a liar! Teens are being imprisoned every day!
Cymraeg is a fascist dictator!
Vote for Flores and save our country!
Stop them! Now!
Run!
I'm here, Sonia.
Oh, shut up.
Stop! Help me!
Oh no, we definitely don't do stories like that. Well, it's about time to drive off in my limo. Like all good journalists do when they finish a story. Look, to sum it up, your intro wasn't half bad. But you completely effed up filming the Minister of Oil.
Ah, well.
And that almost got Sonia fired. Bad teen. Bad. Guess what I'm trying to say is, hope I never see you again? Adam! Let's roll!
Giving information, missing teens. 55555. Okay. Let's check this. Mae bin fyny fa moedd. Be dal, mae'n cweith dall wedi gema. Dwi'n joio, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n wedi... Hitchhiker fanna neu dwi'n $6. Beth dwi'n mwyn cymryd i... Dwi'n cael hwn stipio na'n... A dim ond rili'n esbonio'n byd i fi. Gallai ffonio hwnna. Wow, 96112. Call home, call taxi.
Happy Taxi, how can we help you today? We'll send a taxi to your location right away.
What? And pass. Check. Dat is keer dat. Dat is niet keer dat. Walk on the road. Oui, die keer de bord er naartoe waren. Let's get serious. What's that? Zo'n taxi driver is. No. It's been cow stuff, man. Hey, Matt.
Chuck's isn't open right now. Renovation. Music? No, you don't. I'm a bouncer, not a takeaway service.
Ken, let the kid in.
Whatever you say, Chuck. Go ahead, kid.
I win! Hand over those bills, Robert.
Well, I'm out. Anyone else want a shot at this guy?
Aha, not me. Papa Bear's met een air hockeypact for Satan.
Weaklings, all of you. But what about you, kid?
Give it a shot.
We've got ourselves a contender.
I'll give it a shot.
First to 3 points wins. Let's do this.
Yeah, okay.
Not gonna let this old fart beat you, are you, kid?
Let's see what you got, young blood. Oh yeah, Papa Bear! If I could only have a drink, then I'd become the wall.
Wacht, die is kom gyntaf o Tomit.
This is it. You or me, young blood.
I knew it. The kid's a winner.
I don't
But
like
the
it.
dollars.
Don't like it one bit. But you beat me, young blood. Fair and square.
Yeah, $15.
Come on, drinks all round. I'm paying.
Sure you're not on the Olympic squad?
John was an excellent goalkeeper in his younger years, but came up short of making the national team. Guess it still bothers him.
There are a lot of things that bother me, Robert.
Oh, you're not. It's just that John's still living in the past. Chuck, serve this girl a martyr.
Here we go. You sure about that, Robert?
Our friend here is practically an adult, aren't you?
Well, it's dangerous, that's for sure. I see. Now, well, get to the border. Then pick a lock and get in one of the trucks at the gate. And don't make a sound. That part's very important.
Me? No. My name is Robert, kid. Nice to meet you. You know, I do believe there's a reason you're here today.
Maybe you should push on, young bud. It's getting late.
Whoa, young blood. You okay? You look a little funny.
Damn, Chuck. What did you put in that drink?
The murder? Everything.
Dodge.
Kid, wake up. Wake up. You're in Chuck's basement, kid. John and myself carried you down here.
What?
Come on. I want to show you something. Something big.
Ham.
Welcome to the Brigade's secret hideout. John and I were at the border in '86. The brigades have been around for many years. The transmitter is one of our biggest achievements. The police are looking for it, but they'll never get their hands on it. We have many teen informants. We're hoping one can cross and help us from the other side. Yeah, this.
What's the kid doing here, Robert?
The kid's political. Besides, aren't we on the lookout for fresh blood? See? She's not gonna say a word. I'll start the meeting. Look, it's now or never to elevate our game. I have a plan to rig a Cymraeg billboard. We'll attract cops to it by broadcasting a fake signal. When they arrive, boom, we trigger the device. This isn't a huge move, but it's a good start and will send a strong message. Do I have any volunteers? That's great, kid, but I think we'll go with hardened brigades here.
I'll do it, Robert.
This isn't who we are.
They're sending teens to the work camp, John. Protests aren't cutting it. And Flores sure as hell won't cut it either.
Robert's right. We need to attack. Now.
Alex, our little genius, will help us rig the device. If all goes well, he can build us something bigger and badder for Election Day.
The kid's out, Robert. He doesn't want to be involved in this. For Christ's sakes, his mom's a cop.
We don't need Alex. We can find somebody else to do this.
I'm telling you all, violence will do more harm than good.
Funny, don't you think, kid? Funny because John and his girlfriend were the ones who drove the truck to kill Cymraeg in '86.
I've changed, Robert.
Yes, you have. Look, we should vote and settle this right now. Who thinks the brigades need to be more aggressive?
I don't.
I do.
I do.
I refrain.
I don't.
I don't.
I do.
3 against 3.
Let's ask the kid.
No.
She's here after all.
That's why you brought her in. To vote on your side. Incredible.
Kid, what do you think?
We're stuck. We'll call another meeting and decide once and for all. I'm disappointed in you, kid.
F off.
Guys, picked it up on the scanner. The police on their way.
We all know what we need to do. Get in our cars and leave calmly. Kid, no need to worry. They'll never suspect you.
Hey kid, wanna play? We can put down some money if you want. Let's play.
No! $20! Oh my god, we're good. No!
Okay, you win. Fair and square. Here's your money.
$40.
Another game?
Yes. Nah, pass.
Let's play.
Pass. The thrill, I'm gonna have a pass. Oh my god.
Okay, you win. Fair and square. Another game?
No, they were fun.
What can I do for you, kid?
Yep.
Nothing to see here, kid.
Vad är ditt klister? Yes, doing stuff. And so. Okay. Fully stocked. Aš žiūriu, kur atkarto. De numbers.
Happy Taxi, how can we help you today?
En die rijdt.
We'll send a taxi to your location right away. Thank you for calling Happy Taxi.
We doen de killer taxi man. Guaranteed.
Sorry, forgot you were back there. So where are we headed today with Happy Taxi? Then just north it is. Now sit back and enjoy your ride with Happy Taxi. All that belonged to the last customer. He left that behind too. Black Brigades, I think. I'm not really sure. Not a lot gets by you, I can tell. By the way, everything I'm telling you is the truth. We're called Happy Taxi, but we could be called Honest Taxi, too. Maybe you have some questions about the road. I can help you with those. What goes around comes around. I know that. I have that for a home project. That's not for your eyes. You shouldn't be this close to me. Enough. Now sit back and stay seated. Enjoy your ride with Happy Taxi. I'm going to turn the music up now. Do you like dinosaurs? I don't think so. Did you say something? Oh, I see. We haven't reached your destination. Oh no, I think I have a flat tire. Better take a look. Sit tight.
Hej, zo'n klein bocht vanaf. Ja, mijn boy man, dodge.
Who's gonna kill me?
I
don't want to die.
Had we missing anything bit?
What did I say about disturbing the customers?
Fleeing.
Oh, look at that. Impressive.
Yeah. 48 miles though. 48 miles. Ie, mae fe'n hwn ti wedi gwachio fi chwarae, Craig, mae hwn yn beth gael o, purpose. Booked yda. Dwi'n ffindio, dwi'n ffindio. Ie, mae hwn yn wahanol bob tro ti'n chwarae o i fod, but obviously efo ffordd ti'n decide yn mynd efo fo. Be di'r term? This game is fake. Percent. Yeah, perceptual generated game dwi'n meddwl. So mae lot o ffyrdd o gallu actually neud o dwi'n meddwl. A hyn o bryd dwi'n chwarae fan reit reit onast i ddweud gwir. Dwi'n good i two shoes ond eto dwi'n lot o telegraffi yna fo. So just ffynd y taxi nes I boi na wan. So y ban o top dim health di o ond fatha mae'n mynd o un lle llall yn cymryd certain actions. So oedd o'n cymryd 2 bar i fi hedeg wrth y boi na. Gyna ti'n gallu hitchhikeio ffynd y taxi neu just cerdded. So beth yw'n cwrs I lôn ddo? No beth. So, da ni'n byw yn dystopian future yma. Lle mae boi sy'n rhedeg y byd, Cymraeg, rhedeg y lad, o'i drwg iawn. A mae'r teens, mae lot o'r teens yn mynd am y border I rhedeg I ffwr, am bywyd gwell. Which dwi'n, ti'n stopio am hwnna llefydd. So, eisiau dechrau gêm ar bus, efo'r hogan hacker yma, a eisiau choice, ti eisiau aros ar y bus, ta eisiau mynd off y bus, eisiau aros ar y bus. So mae'n reit cool I ddweud gwir. Mae'n gwybod beth ffos ymlaen o fy
No good! Flippin' tire.
You've met Fanny. That's karma for you.
Just some car trouble, kid. What are you doing out here? You changing the subject on me? Well, if you got any advice, I guess it wouldn't hurt to hear it.
Oh.
Then have at it, kid. What are you? A tire whisperer?
Tire whisperer, am I? Okay.
Hey, don't stop there. The pump's behind you.
So maybe the boy needs some pump.
You know, you remind me of my son. He's always fixing things.
Ooh, ga je
Always
bus
breaking
doen?
things too. Here.
Ah. Het u die kosten.
Thanks a lot, kid. Gotta say, I'm impressed.
No.
Just my luck. Come on, follow me.
Na. Mae person dwi'n dweud si trystio. O bwynt o lladd fi.
Yes? I'm everywhere these days, including Road 96. I'm working a case that requires it. You can, but I can't tell you. It's been a bad summer, really. Sorry. I just have a lot on my mind.
You want to talk about it?
You? That's all right. No offense. Yeah, maybe you're right. It's just that my son, my adopted son, ran away.
Oeh, wat gaat doen dit?
Yeah, I guess it can be. But that's not why he left. I knew something that he didn't. A secret. And when I told him, he got upset.
So dwi'n praio gormod. Dwi'n praio gormod.
They really can be.
Yeah.
You're right. I told him who his biological parents were. Or as much as I know about them anyway. I always told him I didn't know. I was lying. It was hard on him too because of who they were. They were members of the Black Brigades.
Hi di mam yr hacker yn si gyfarfod ar y bus.
Yeah, me too. You know about the attack in '86, right?
Yes.
That's the day I met my son. Kid, I'm a police officer. Don't believe the conspiracies. I was working security, hired to protect Cymraeg at the wall's opening ceremony.
Cymraeg!
Everything was going fine until it wasn't. I barely saw the truck before it crashed into the mountain.
My life.
Just a flash.
Everything was going fine.
Next thing I knew, rocks were falling on the crowd. It was awful. You have no idea. The screams. Everything was just so terrible. At some point, I looked down and there was my son, silent, covered in dust, looking up at me. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I picked him up and brought him home
stole
with
the
me.
baby.
I just had to make sure he was
I stole
going to
the
be safe.
baby.
I had to. I looked in the papers for months after, searched the missing children reports every day. There was nothing. It's not unusual for brigades to cut ties with family. I do. What other explanation is there? I guess I deserve all this. I kept the truth from my baby.
I stole the baby.
Thanks, kid. I appreciate you saying that. I do.
Central to Unit 2, do you copy? Over.
I should get that. Look, kid. I don't know what you're up to out here. Just promise me something. Turn around and go home, okay? Your parents miss you.
Dwi'n cynnig lift i fi. Ti'n mynd i adael fi yn y glaw? Dwi'n mynd i cael mae'n cerdded. Hitchhiker. Ti'n mynd i hitchhiker? Mae'n fod hitchhiker. Dwi'n mynd all y percentages yma a sut dwi mor agos.
Hey kid! On your travels, have you met a woman named Sonia?
Ooh, ydw i.
What are the chances?
100 to 1? No, 1,000 to 1.
And what did you think of her? Hey, watch it! That's Sonia you're talking about!
Yeah, watch it, little lady!
Oh.
But now, some troubling news. Sonia is in danger. Someone wants to end sweet Sonia's life.
Our plan is to stop this would-be killer!
Before they kill Sonia!
Yeah, before!
Our hunch is the psycho is a taxi
Taxi
driver!
driver.
Yeah, we do! And on a variety of subjects!
Taxi driver? That would make sense. What doesn't stand is why the kid's in the sidecar. It being in the shape it is.
You've gone and scared the kid, Mitch!
Didn't I? Oh, shoot.
Ask us a question if you'd like. Could take your mind off your fear. Mitch and I never do that. Petria's been good to us, making us thieves and all. But I heard smugglers can help.
Yeah, but you need real dough for that. Long as you lean into the turns.
Okay.
Just move left and right. Give it a whirl.
Not bad!
Oh, okay.
That's nothing.
Get on up here, little lady. Don't be scared.
Go on, then! What do you think, kid?
Yeah, what do you think?
Stan and Mitch and the kid!
A taxi driver, Stan!
Could be Sonia's would-be killer! Kid, get back in the sidecar and help us catch that cab!
Get him, Stan!
He's friendly with the winner.
Stan, we needs to go faster!
Like I didn't know, Mitch!
What's me? Oh my god!
taxi stopped!
Could be a trap. Show this driver the beast, Mitch!
With pleasure.
Here we go. This ought to be good. So, kid, did you get a look at the driver? That's my recollection, too. Wait until Mitch gets his hands on this creep. What the? Why is he coming back?
Oh, nice person. People like that don't deserve engine trouble.
He's leaving!
That wasn't the would-be killer, Stan. Way too nice.
You let Sonia's would-be killer go, Mitch!
I did not. Besides, I didn't see you get off the bike. You was scared.
I was not scared!
Kid's right. Let's look on the bright side. We're getting closer.
We are. We almost got that psycho this time.
Stan and Mitch! What do you want to do now, little lady?
Of course not.
Dan ni'n di ddal y blyncyn taxi driver yma. Be di'r ffocin rest ar lôn? No way am bod hynna'n... Ooh, okay, so dwi yma wan. No way, dwi yma wan. Dwi'n siŵr os dwi'n y math o game, dwi'n chwarae mwy yn unwaith. Cael stuff. Be dwi'n mynd i... Neither. Bir kick on. Ooh, no, cops. Okay. Look ahead. Ta. Symisiwn mynd i fanna. Ie, so, dwi intentionally, newid yr allan ma'r gem os yma, dwi intentionally di allan dim byd amdan y gem. Si siwr y trailer ystod i 3. O, dwi'n meddwl yn dechrau my kind of thing. So, dwi wedi chwarae fo'n hollol... Fel arfer, nice bear guides a shit, ond na, dwi wedi chwarae fo'n hollol... Fatha... Fel fysa fi'n chwarae fo. In the olden days. Ond mae'r penfer... Fatha, your choices matter kind of thing. Ma'n nhw'n reit telegraphed, ti'n gallu cael sense, fatha... Ti'n gwybod, ti either yn mynd i bod efo terrorists, neu ti am bod efo boi drwg, efo'r ochr yr pobol drwg, neu ti am just ditio'r line nhw. Mae'n reit amlwg efo'r penderfyniadau. Dwi'n joio symudach, de. Dwi'n... Okay. Oof. And, wel concept iets daar. Als die concept yn weird de. Cas mynd na i ffordd i fynd, dwi'n siarad i bita. So bar top na'n bisgwyn yn stopio chdi neud lot o stwff hefyd. Ond dwi wedi cyrraedd lot o llefydd, dwi'n byth yn neud stwff. So dwi ond yn gallu aswmio ti'n chwarae mwy unwaith. So dwi'n gobeithio fydd ar Mae'n sy'n fynd streamio fan awr a hanner dwi wedi bod. So dwi'n rili... So fy'n diddorol beidi'r gem, really. Dwi'n rili siŵr beidio. Ie, sbio. Ie, fe'n reit. It's just self. Okay, so fi'n cymryd yna ffordd i progress. So, dwi'n mynd ffordd yma. Dwi'n dod rownd i fanna. Dwi'n lycio hyn, mae hyn reit. Ti'n meddwl ti onto something. Pam wedi gadael fi dy holl ffordd i fama de? No. Na, dwi eisiau bwrpasol. So dwi wedi chwarae. Dwi ddim yn joio fath o rwy'n sy'n jyst i chwarae fo di. Mae'n rili'n esbonio lot i chdi. Ti'n jyst go... mynd ac aswmio stwff. O. Ie, dau met fi. Ie, it's fun eto. Pan swn i'n restio. Dwi'n gwybod os ddylai fi restio fe mlaen. Ta mynd yn syth, ti'n meddwl? Ysd mynd yn syth, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl, ystod chdi'n dod nos, ie. Dwi'n gweld. O, dwi all off mynd yn nos. Dwi wedi mynd yn nos. Cos nath rwy'n dweud fi, well ti chdi wneud o'n sneaky. So, dwi'n meddwl sy'n cael yn dal yn dydd yn y polis. So sa yna nos. Dwi'n eich chance. Ah. Na, dal yn dydd. Dwi'n mynd chdi gladfar o fanna. Ti'n dda. Oce. Wel, dwi wedi cyrraedd row 96 efo fatha... Reit siomedig, really, os hyn ydi o. Gweithio ddim. So dwi'n echmygu na ti'n dal ar stwff dwi'n unlockio.
Snacks and drinks? Can I help you at all?
Special 10-year commemoration of the collapse. There's some never-before-seen footage there. Oh, just proof that the government had explosives rigged on the mountain.
Don't know whose stand it'd be if it wasn't. I just hope it'll actually be democratic. But I'm not holding my breath. Even if it's not voter intimidation, they have other ways of altering the results.
Welcome. Down to my last dollar. Should be fun, huh? Ooh. Okay. Ah, swim lucky. Okay. Force yourself into the trap? Nah. Emitter. Informa. Mae'n ormod o llefydd allai fynd I just ffosio hyn o'n I trap o'n. So hyn o'n, beth di pam dwi'n efo hwnna? Obviously. The clock. Yeah, damn, fucking fine. Okay. So, dwi'n dal yn gwybod beth dwi'n bod I wneud yma, dwi'n di... Neu lot o... Dwi'n anghofio am y stori, just fatha... Y gameplay mechanics... Y boi yma.
Whoa, hold up there, kid. Not unless I let you. Maybe I won't. And why should I? Give me a good reason. How do I know? The enemy is getting smarter all the time. Fine. You can go. But I don't like your attitude.
Hey.
Who wants to know? Maybe I can help with that. The important word being maybe.
Ooh.
Fine. But this is against my better judgment. Just don't slow me down.
Okay. Pan dwi'n efo percentages ar y pobl mi gyd?
Okay, before we go farther, I'll need what we agreed on. This is a business. You don't pay, I don't stay. Then good luck with the guard. I'm out of here.
Ah, be?
Sorry, kid. You're on your own.
Something. What? Dat is nog het. Wat betekent dat? Is je prijs? Ja.
Hey, don't be scared. I tried to cross. I guess my night vision is non-existent? I was hoping you'd say that. Follow me. I know the way.
Ah, het is niet waar hoor.
That light ahead. I think it's a guard. Hope they can be bought. I'll follow you, if that's all right.
Nou, doe het rustig nee. Als een prijs naar bed. Ballen.
Stop! And? You're seriously trying to bargain right now? You got guts, kid.
Kijk, just
No way. Hey, hope you have your running shoes on. I'll show you. 2 kids just got past me. They're trying to escape.
Run!
Get back here!
Oh my god.
Hurry! Explain us! I'll lift you!
Oh, you're gonna die. Oh shit, up the road.
Freedom.
What?
Nothing is more important, but there are many others in Petria still looking for it.
Wat is het toch van?
And their journeys have only just begun.
Okay. So. Oh man, nu lekker. Omen. Oh, fuck off. Tenminste, Omen, maar. Nee, lekker websites. Fuck off. Oh ja, zo'n episode. Wat is dit weer een episode 2? Jongens, we zijn episode 2 gewoon in, nog weet je. Oké, ze doen een lokje heen. Een barrot. Oh ja, oké, ze doen een lokje heen. Ik ga er met de duel. Ja, wie wordt met de game, man. 106. Ah. A road movie told the multiple border crossings and the narrative to remember. Okay. Okay, so mae hwnna mwy o context I hwnna I fi. So dwi wedi episode 1. Ys gweld lle hwn cychwyn fi. Ti gychwyn ar llall.
Hello,
Oh, hwnna
Sonia
ffynol.
Sanchez here. Welcome to the Sonia Show. You know that Sonia has the best news, right? Well, I've heard that the brigades have recently held a secret meeting. And that they now plan to attack as many innocent people as they can to spread their hateful message.
Okay.
Despicable, right? But worry not, viewers. Our great leader will crush the insurgents like the bugs
Yeah,
that
she shot a
belong.
vegan there.
If I don't do it myself first, that is. In very good news, a large network of smugglers helping teens cross has recently been dismantled by security forces. Thank you for keeping our country secure, border forces. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks like Cymraeg is still the preferred candidate. Surprisingly, it does appear Flores has some supporters, probably members of the brigades. As you know, the Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's Missing Teen Report. Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia hotline.
Okay.
The hotline is available 24 hours, 7 days a week.
So,
Let's
dwi'n
bring
meddwl
these
episode nes i
teens
neud
back
rwan
home.
oedd yr tutorial, cos ges i'n cynnig yma. So dwi'n gallu dewis
We count on your support.
o'n dechrau llefydd eraill. Oce. So beth, dwi'n meddwl mae'r gêm yma'n newid o sens rwan.
We count on your support.
A ma'n gallu neud wahanol stwff a wahanol energy. Dwi'n mynd I dweud... O yma.
And that has been the Sonia Show.
So beth, dwi'n meddwl... Ia, so hwnna ni, so mae'r un gynta'n... So bob tro fyddai'n unlockio mwy o stwff. A fyddai'n... Oce. So dwi'n cychwyn arall am change yna fo. Dwi'n gallu neud un arall. Ie. Mae'n neud sens fan. So dwi gyda yn bren fi gyda neud y stori.
Get your tapes and snacks here. Tapes and snacks. Music goes well with the road. It's like the perfect complement to being on a
Fo
road
oedd y
trip.
boi na shield peisio fo fi. Iawn, oce. So mae'n gyda fi... Ges I cod gyda... So dwi'n gwybod fydd y cod o fel yma gos nes I aros fel o gyna. So ti'n gallu ffonio number I os i'n gwybod lle ma'n nhw. Call home. So, allu di chwarae wahanol ffordd efo bob un. Dwi isio chwarae certain ffordd.
What can I do for you, kid?
Spend change. Ah!
Greg, I know we're all brigades here, but this teen is bothering me.
Yeah, CNRC, run. Got it? A cop working road control. You didn't know that? Man, you don't stand a chance.
Let's go back. Yo. Eh?
Me too. But only one of us can win, dog. The other must be sacrificed to the
Hwn oedd y boi
gods
ar
of
bus
Paul.
sy'n fi tro gynta.
First
How do
to
you
three
beat a nerd?
wins.
Being a bigger nerd.
Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Score against me? Ah, hell nah.
Dwi'n meddwl that's premise y game o'n. Dwi'n meddwl mae'r game yn...
That's what I do to fools.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'r premise yn... This, yeah. So mae bob run fyddai'n gwella. Ond dwi'n meddwl guaranteed i cyrraedd y diwedd bob tro. Dwi'n meddwl. O, rhaid fi cyrraedd diwedd bob episode.
Homie sees how it is.
Yeah.
What'd I tell you, son?
Speed ar y boi yma.
I win. But I always win. Don't take it personally. Sometimes I feel like the Pong gods chose me personally. I make games, by the way.
Gaan we Space Orange.
I've even sold some
Hij
to this
reed laid
diner.
back.
But they screw me out of my rightful cut.
Road 96, gen newydd. Shift beth y boi na ddweud dwi'n.
Petria. Ain't no meritocracy.
Specs
Don't
of it.
worry. They'll get theirs.
So,
Yeah. Be careful with what you eat. Try to avoid rotting food. But, you know, beggars can't always be choosers and all that.
lots of food can fuel the revolution.
Yeah. You're kind of intense, huh? I just had an idea. Time to take what's mine. Come on.
Di'r Di'r gêm yn dechrau laggy ar y sgrin? I chi? Dwi'n ei sbio draws son, he looks... Chydig bach yn laggy. Dwi'n laggy dwi? Będę trio bach... Oce, mae'n golwg bach yn laggy. Dita sy'n laggy fi cael trio bach. O, llath y boi bach na wan. Llath o.
The job's simple. There's a room in the back where they keep their cash. I should be able to hack in.
Okay.
Exactly, Home Slice. Come on. Yo, this digicode is from the age of the dinosaurs.
Wow, mae'n nerd wrth o fi. You know code? Know the
homie.
code?
But I got some tech to use on it. One day, scientists gonna study my brain.
Boom! What'd I tell you?
Okay. Klein sprakje.
Oh man, door closed behind us. Gonna re-trigger the digilock.
Yes.
I hear that. Now, let's look for the dough. A lot of stuff in here. And it smells. Ugh, adults.
That's
Check
cool.
the drawers. And the safe too. Duh.
Oh, de kode safe till jou. Lekker. Weer een stuk. Ja. Oké. Dan komen we een paar uit. Dat is nu meteen niet mooi uit. Between stuck. Look, I'm caught. Ah, yeah.
Hold up. There's an article here on the attack.
Looking for Ah, sorry, is het... Ja. Doen we de sign jou nog gaan weer de mul. Beginnen we een sign level thing weer maar. Ja, maar ja. Stay focused on the money.
Bodies of certain brigades believed to be at the wall were never found. No way. My bio-parents might still be alive.
Bio-parents. Natuurlijk een reference of dat bio-parents.
Here, I gotta finish reading this article.
Yes, sucking. Yeah. Taking the money. Stealing some money. Oh shit! Shit! Shit!
I hear someone coming. Hide!
Okay, I don't care, man. Oof.
Shh! Be hella quiet.
Al, have you been in the back room lately? Looks different, like someone's been back here. Yeah, I'll check. Just give me a second. Bad news. It's empty. Okay, I'll sit tight. Uh-huh. Okay,
no.
bye.
Oh no, 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 no!
Hey, who's in there?
Run!
Hold on, just whatever you took, give it back.
Let me out of here.
It's your lucky day, kid. Get out of here before I change my mind.
Hey, deal. Cash. $27. Terwijl had ik een boy maar. Hell, ja, het is die kerdaad. Het is die. Terwijl nu die van je heen. Illegal. Ja, we hebben een boy droog rond de me. Middel. Ja. Oké. He check, ja. Ie, dwi'n siŵr iawn. Ti'n cyfarfod bob un cymeriad. So Alex o hwnna. So premise y gêm ydi ti'n chwarae'r gêm mwyn unwaith. So dwi wedi gwneud y gêm unwaith efo'r hogan ar June 11th. A di cyrraedd 96. So ti'n dysgu mwy am y stori efo bob un Runaway Teen. So Runaway Teen wyt ti. A dwi'n meddwl ti'n just dysgu mwy am y cymeriad fel ti'n mynd ymlaen.
So long, I've lost sight of right and wrong.
So dwi'n cyfarfod y hogan ma'n barod yn y gêm yn y round cynt fatha Runaway arall. Eisiau chwarae trombone. Be di'n chwaith?
Thinking I could find a friend, saying hi and shaking hands. I hope this moment never ends. It feels so good out on the road and on my own, waking up, no strings attached, no looking back from ocean waves to desert skies.
Given all the hostility, it's normal the police would get violent.
Wait, you're saying the police are justified in using violence?
It's a very political game, the middle.
I'm glad you're here. Now I'm not the only one subjected to this.
Thanks for the ride.
People are looting, Jeff. What good will come of that?
Oedd y papur oedd ar coed. Oedd dwi eisiau angen dysgu hacking ar gyfer y gêm. Oh shit. It's there for play.
Gross, dude.
Well, I guess I can't have this conversation with you, can I?
So, you're one of us, aren't you?
One of us?
I knew you were a crosser, like me. I can smell it on you, literally.
Hey, that's rude.
Let's talk about something else then.
Think they know what we're really up to?
Our President Taylor gives you $20 to cheer. Oh, must be done. I think so.
Yeah, they seem kind of with it for adults. So, I got an idea.
Yeah?
Let's play this game I found and listen to some music. Here, take my Walkman. Wait, have you played before? I like to know my opponent's strength before crushing them.
Sorry, kind of amazing.
A challenge. I like that.
Oh my
I
god!
win, but I always win.
Nah.
Want a rematch?
Yeah, odds. That's neb goal enough. That's embarrassing. Oh my god!
And that's a win. So, do you like the music?
Nah,
Don't worry
come on.
about hurting my feelings. I'm a big girl.
I do, totally. I can't have it, so.
I've got all kinds of tapes. Here, so you remember me.
Yes! Oh my god. No, come on. Why did you leave home?
Back at the start of the summer. To start a new life. No, to have a life.
Jeez.
My dad thinks I'm lucky to have a big house and go to a prep school. But I'm not. Believe me.
Things tough with your dad.
Yeah, you could say that.
By your dad.
Look, I'm gonna tell you something, okay? Maybe I shouldn't, but I feel like I can trust you.
Not paid.
My father is the Minister of Oil.
Oh, what? What? No way.
Keep it down.
Did you kids say something?
Just that you have a great van? Thanks. I feel better now that I've told someone.
Can't look at you.
I wanted to tell this one kid, but we got kicked out of our campground before I could. Can you go back to thinking of me like you did before?
How did I think about you?
As this exquisite being you're lucky to share oxygen with?
Wow. Wow.
Thanks.
Hey, kids.
Uh-oh. Good luck.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
I was wondering, would you say you're political?
No, not really.
What about you?
Political? No, I'm not.
But you're leaving because Petria has problems. And please don't deny you are.
For real, Jeff.
Anyway, because you are leaving, you two are political, at least according to me.
The shame.
So since you are...
Jeff!
Almost done, what are you gonna do to change this place?
Bit?
I don't know either.
Yeah, maybe nothing can be done now. So depressing.
What's certain is, it's the youth who are gonna make change happen.
Youth.
If it happens at all.
Finally, we agree on something.
Political,
I'm sorry to hear you say that.
Oh, shit.
Oh no, road control.
You go over the speed limit?
No! I mean, I don't think so.
Oh, no. The totalitarian government.
Everyone stay calm.
Kids, let us do the talking.
Road control, ma'am. License and registration.
Happy to help however we can, sir.
Sir? He's nothing but a road control zombie.
Shh. Yeah.
Those your kids?
No, sir. Just giving them a ride.
I see.
Everything alright, sir?
You alright, son? You seem a little nervous.
I'm fine.
Say, you look like one of the kids on the missing posters.
Get that lot.
I bet. Well, just to be sure, I'll need to see your papers.
What if we were to make a donation to road control, sir?
A donation?
Ooh.
Well, for a donation, I suppose I could look the other way.
Thank you, officer.
Wait, you're not really gonna pay this guy, are you?
Shh.
It's people like you that are ruining this country.
Excuse me?
Be quiet.
Oh. Listen to my man.
Oh, come on! This turd in a uniform isn't gonna do anything.
That's it. You're coming with me.
What have you done, Zoe?
Don't touch me,
What do we do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Stay in the car, boy.
Do what he says.
No!
I warned you, didn't I? Lucky it's not you I'm interested in.
Ew. No! Sy'n nath i cyfarfod? Again, look, yeah. Mae angen chwarae gêm a heb dilyn guide de.
Mama Bear. Mama Bear.
Oh, this can be good. So.
Goddamn cop. Oh, just Papa Bear's luck.
Ti'n dweud i'w chwarae games, dwi'n mynd i'r goneli yma. Okay, let's have a look.
Mama Bear. Mama Bear.
Oh, ddim eisiau siarad o boi yma. Seems creepy.
Goddamn cop.
Oh! Oh!
Mama Bear.
You got me.
Hey, you're not my Mama Bear. You're just some hairless teen. I had a date with Mama Bear, but she's police. So I didn't show. I screwed up. And then I got real drunk.
Uh-huh.
I'm a bad man, young wolf. You're looking at Petria's most wanted criminal. Damn! Not even Papa Bear can move this rock. Wait. Nope. Impossible. Come over here.
What's up, boy? I'm gonna.
Hey! You see those rocks ahead? It looks like the border gate, don't it? Goddamn peak collapse. Took Connie away from me. Connie was the love of my life.
You're stuck.
First love. But I don't want to talk about that. I want to race.
What?
Come on! Race you up the hill! Faster than the wind! Jesus! My knees! You'll never catch me! I'll run like the wind! Fast and effortlessly! Oh, my knees! The pain is excruciating! Oh! Oh! You win, but only because I'm a tad out of shape. A soccer ball. Uh-oh. You've entered the danger zone now.
I'm pacing the game, and
All right, young blood.
nuts.
You got 5 kicks. In high school, my nickname was the Wall. So you know. Oh, I don't think you're Olympic squad material. 4 kicks left now. Hey, they should call you Jello Foot. 3 3 kicks left. Lucky. That one went through where my fingers used to be. You only got 2 kicks left. Better make them good. Hell yeah! The wall, baby! Just 1 kick left. I want to see your best, young blood. Ooh, I have double vision. And I went for the wrong ball. Nah, decent score. But if the wall was sober, you'd have a big, fat 0. Ooh, Jesus, I'm beat. Come on, let's sit over here. Don't got the dough, don't got the choice. It's safe, most of the time. Just don't do it often. I do, young blood. Thanks. Sorry about all that before. Yeah, it's just this whole thing with Mama Bear has brought up the past. And Connie. Well, Connie was the love of my life. But she died 10 years ago in the peak collapse. She was my everything, young blood. You should have seen her. Oh yeah. I got dozens in Mr. Grizzly. Over there. Well, she was young and committed, like me. We were in the brigades together. And beautiful. So goddamn beautiful. Oh, I'll miss her for the rest of my days.
Sorry, mae'r Le Mans racing uffar y crash mawr yn Le Mans, man. Berig.
I appreciate that, young blood. Oh, she is. That voice, oof. And she's tough. Tougher than I'll ever be. But kind and funny, too.
Mae'r FPS yn cael bach o struggle. Dwi'n cael encoding overload. So, dwi am hyn yn sylw. No. Goodbye! Dwi'n fel hyn, da. Gobeithio gan i well. Oh my god, come on. Whoa. You've let it out. Yeah, looking good then.
Well, maybe we are. But here's the kicker. She's Popo, young wolf. And I'm on the wrong side of the law. To make it work, things would have to change. I'd have to turn myself in. I'm a wanted man. Or she'd have to become a revolutionary. That it is, young blood. That it is. Shoot. I do. I really think I do. Yeah. Hey, you're pretty wise for a snot-nosed teen. You know that? Maybe you should do one of those dating advice radio shows. Sounds good, young blood. Now, if it's all right with you, I think I'm just gonna sit here a while and enjoy the view.
Goodbye.
You be safe out there. And if love comes your way, you grab it. Understand me?
Dwi'n mynd i hitchhiker. Dwi'n mynd i... Os dwi'n goffan am ymlaen. Stream wedi hewi. O. O, David. Ond y dol ma. Ma wedi hewi dwi. O, un o pam. No. A, ydych chi fethu, chi fethu... Ydych chi fethu, opponent, luck. Other space. Dwi'n mynd i adael o, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n enjoyo fo. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n enjoyo fo. Ie, ni wedi allan os yma mae o. Okay. A chance i fi, actually. Sef yma. Okay. Oh, tap, ideal. Okay, so there, look at tap. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n joio fo. Encoding overload, turn on video settings and plastic with the presets. Yeah. Over the game, enjoyo. Fi dwi'n mynd allan. Ond, ia, dwi'n mynd i adael o fan'na. O'n i jyst chwarae hwn yn chydig am yn haws chwarae ar stream efo pobl. So, ia, diolch i Spice Orange a Hazel Shape. Mwyn thebyg fyddai'n chwarae beth mwy retro i fory na bo fi. Ond, ia. Wel, chi, na tro nesa. Goodbye. Goodbye.